recipe. Welcome to my channel. So my ring light just came in and I'm going to show you guys how I set it up. I did order this ring light from Amazon. The company that made the light is Neewer, so I'm just going to show you guys the different light settings and how it actually looks while filming a video. They even give you a case that goes with the light so that you can travel with it. You can also position the ring light at an angle depending on how and what you're recording for that day. In the middle of the ring light, there's a piece where I can sit my phone or a camera, and I really love that because now I can capture selfies hands-free. Setting up the ring light was really easy. The instructions were clear and straight to the point, but I did have one small roadblock. I could not figure out why in the world the ring light was not turning on. I mean, I figured there was something wrong with the ring light, like maybe the light bulbs in the ring light wasn't working, or maybe there was a shortage in the cord. So I told my boyfriend just to call me when he figured it out because I was done. I was over it. But it actually wasn't the ring light at all. It was me. You have to make sure that the cord is plugged into the power adapter completely. So now that the ring light is on, let's see how it works. So I always start off with a clean face. Very important step. I moisturize next with Nivea cream. My eyebrows usually take a good 45 minutes, so let's skip all that. So to prime my face, I use NYX's Shine Killer because it's really good for oily skin. Before applying my foundation, I always start with setting my face with translucent powder. The best foundation for me is the Fit Me Matte by Maybelline. Right below my eyes, I apply a lighter concealer so that it can hide my bags. Then right beneath that, I apply a darker shade closer to my skin tone. And then I blend those two together. I use the Airspun setting powder to set my concealer. So for my contour, I always start with the cream, and then on top I place the powder. So for my eyeshadow, I wanted to correspond with what I was wearing for date night. So I picked nude, purple, and pink. So first I used the nude as a transitional color, and then I packed the pink on top. I was really laying this pink on thick now. I wanted it to come through, pop out, show up, do its thing. Yes, honey, I was laying on thick. I used the eyeshadow base to form my cut crease. This is actually my first time applying eyeshadow or a cut crease. Let's see how it turns out. I decided to add a little gold, and I'm going to apply that on top of the base for my cut crease, and I'm going to start in the corner eye and then take it about midway. For the smoky eye, I used purple instead of black. I just packed that in the corner and then I blended it into the gold very well. So in place of making a wing, I'm just going to apply a little bit of black eyeshadow close to my eyelashes so I can know where to set my lashes. On my bottom lashes, I applied some of that same pink. And then in the inside of the eye, I applied that same gold at the bottom as well. Hey! I was feeling accomplished. I was feeling this eyeshadow, baby. So this is my favorite palette for my highlight. I usually use all 4 highlights in this one palette. I start with the darkest highlight and then I apply the golden highlight right on top. Just to add a little razzle dazzle, I pop a little bit of that shimmery gold on top of my lip as well as the center of my nose. And I'm going to put a little bit of that same gold in my inner eye just to make my eyeshadow pop. And that completes the look for date night. I really love this look. I didn't want to do too much for a simple date night look, but this is giving me flossy vibes and I'm loving it. The lighting settings for this ring light are perfect. It starts with a dimmer light and then it goes really, really bright. For this video, I did use the brightest setting. I will use the dim light because it seems perfect for a chilled video. In the comments below, let me know if you enjoyed this video. Was the lighting too bright? What should I do to change it? I really love this ring light because it's perfect for tutorials and it's very affordable as well. give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching my video. Peace.